iPhone 16 camera. Take control of your photos and videos. The iPhone 16 camera control is designed to give you more precise control over your photography and videography. Here's how to use it. Accessing camera controls. Open the camera app. Launch the camera app from your home screen or lock screen. Reveal advanced controls. Tap the upward arrow icon at the top center of the screen, or swipe up anywhere on the viewfinder. This expands the toolbar with additional controls. Key camera controls. Here are the main controls available and how to use them. Exposure adjustment. Tap the exposure icon plus and minus symbol to manually adjust brightness. Use the slider for precise adjustments. Focus and depth control. For portrait mode, tap the f-stop icon to adjust the depth of field. Drag the slider to make the background blurrier or sharper. Tap and hold on the viewfinder to lock focus. To zoom in or out on an iPhone 16 using the camera control, you can. Lightly press the camera control button to bring up a slider. Drag the slider to adjust the focal length. Choose your default photographic style. The photographic style you choose for your camera optimizes photos based on the skin tones it detects. You're not locked into this choice, though. Before taking a photo, you can easily switch or adjust styles directly in the camera app. Tap B for choosing a photographic style on iPhone 16. You need to have taken at least 4 photos with your iPhone camera. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 16. Tap Camera. Under App Settings, tap Photographic Styles. Tap Get Started, then follow the on-screen instructions. After you choose a default photographic style on your iPhone 16, you can fine-tune its tone, color, and intensity before you take a photo in the camera app. Adjust your photographic style. Open the camera app on your iPhone. Tap the dotted square icon in the top right corner. Drag your finger on the square below the viewfinder to simultaneously adjust the tone and color. Drag your finger on the slider below the square to adjust the intensity level. Tap the dotted square icon in the top right corner to finish. Bear in mind that as you make adjustments, the values for tone, color, and intensity will be shown at the top of the screen. To reset these values, simply tap the round arrow. Macro photography and video. Apple's iPhone 16 series introduces macro mode to all models, including the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, marking the first time this feature is available across the entire lineup. Originally exclusive to Pro models since the iPhone 13, macro mode allows users to capture detailed close-up photos and videos of subjects as close as 2 centimeters, such as flowers, textures, or insects, with sharp focus and rich detail. Here's how to use the macro feature on iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Open the camera app on your iPhone, move as close to your subject as possible until the macro control icon the flower appears in the viewfinder. If there is blurring, move away slightly from the subject until it's in focus. Then take your picture using the shutter button. If you're in video mode, tap the shutter to start recording, then tap again to stop. When macro is enabled, the iPhone camera automatically switches from the wide lens to the ultra-wide lens when an object is placed within 5.5 inches of the rear camera. The viewfinder still shows 1x framing, but the camera relies on the ultra-wide lens for autofocus. Aspect ratio. To change the aspect ratio in your camera app, open your camera app. Check below your viewfinder to make sure you are in photo mode. Frame the photo you want to take. Tap the arrow at the top of your screen to access the full action menu below your viewfinder. Tap the circle that displays a ratio either 1:1, 4:3, or 16:9. Select the aspect ratio that best fits your plan for the image. Tap the shutter button to take the photo. Night mode. When in low light conditions, the night mode icon will appear. Adjust the slider for longer exposure times if needed. Using Action button for camera. If you're using an iPhone 16 Pro with the customizable Action button, you can set it to launch the camera app or a specific shooting mode instantly. Set this in Settings, Action button. Pro Video features. Record ProRes videos with your iPhone camera. You can use your iPhone camera to record and edit videos in ProRes, which offers higher color fidelity and less compression. ProRes is available on all cameras, including the front camera. ProRes isn't supported in cinematic, time-lapse, or slow-mo mode. To set up ProRes, go to Settings, Camera, Formats, then turn on Apple ProRes. Use the Video Settings toolbar to switch resolutions. Activate cinematic mode for videos with dramatic depth of field effects. Thank you for your watching video and hope this can helping you. And stay tuned for the next episode.